So today is 1st of August 2024, and now I'm going to talk about the course research methodology. Today was the lecture 1 of research methodology, and it was taken by Dr. Rituparna Sinha Roy madam. And the classes would take place from 5 to 6 on Monday in room number 101. On Wednesday, actually in the routine it's from 8 to 9, then from 9 to 10, and from 8 to 9 it's tutorial, which generally ma'am won't be taking. And the room number is 212. Then there's Thursday, where the timing would be from 1 to 2 p.m. and the room number would be 212. And there will be a student presentation kind of thing in this course. And the holidays would be on 15th of August, that is Thursday, on 26th August Monday, and on 5th August Thursday. But it is not that probable. Generally students do not come. That's why she's saying of maybe there would be a holiday on this date, and the other holiday would be on 16th of September. Sorry, this was 5th of September. This is 16th of September on Thursday. Well, and the mid same would be from 25th September Wednesday to 4th of October Friday, and the autumn break would be from 5th of October to 13th of October, and after this there would be Dibjyoti sir's class. And the things she mentioned about the presentation was that it should be of around 5 to 6 slides, and there will be 5 minutes for discussion. I guess I'm not so sure about this, but 15 minutes for presentation, and the hard copy has to be presented to ma'am. And the presentation would contain 20 marks, and the slides in it would be having 15 marks. And there will be other things like to write a popular article for general people, for laymen, based on a paper or something like this, which would be which some of the ecology people got it, which actually helps in getting some sort of awards like Gandhian Technology Award for PG students. I do not know what this is. So this would be one of the assignments, that is to write a popular article or kind of layman article for layman based on a paper of your lab or something like that. I do not know. And assignment 2 would be writing or presenting a grant. Well, and there will be 2 lectures by Shonali Bhattacharya ma'am of Rice Foundation Incubation Center or something like that, of that rice lesson, that thing. And she said about patents, that if something is orally presented, that cannot be patented. And she said about some translational awards or something, which are Gandhian Technology Award and Nidhi Proyash. And then she talked about ethics, that one person may be blacklisted if he or she is found to have published some corrupted articles or something like that, which is unethical, and no one would be trusting them, or no one is going to get to them, going to do PhD or postdoc to them. And their papier, this papier, that is which actually shows the unethical cases, this website papier. And there's Retraction Watch. I don't know, maybe the people who does some unethical things, their paper is retracted or something like that, I don't know. Then sometimes people do some unethical things, and that's the thing, that if someone do some unethical things, then their career gets finished. And then she talked about how to do some sort of, how to read the literature. She was kind of proposing to make a spiral bound of the already present literature of at least of the most important papers, and to make notes in the side of the paper of what is already known. And she was actually preferring hard copy. She was actually proposing us to do this for our research, and she was actually proposing to read reviews first and make some notes. And there's a guy, there was a called something Whiteside, and according to him, a work that is unpublished is no work, because that work is going to be lost anyway. And so these are the things she was talking about. She was talking about Karthik Sunegar or something, who works on snake poison in India, and then Elizabeth Bleak, who has microscopic eye, and then Whiteside and Bob Langer, I guess. And this Whiteside guy is quite strict and gets into problems. I mean, not gets into problems, but he hasn't got a Nobel Prize because of his so-called straightforwardness in saying the truth in front of people. And then there's this Richard Arnest, who for his tweet talks got a Nobel Prize earlier. Then the other guy, whose name I don't recall. And so according to Whiteside, the paper should contain results and discussion, introduction and abstract and title and aim of work. And this title should reflect the abstract, and the abstract should reflect what the figures will be containing inside it. And then she talked about grant writing, and we have to talk about national and international status in it, and what work has already been done till date. And other than that, she was saying that it is actually constrained by words, so we have to be choosy of what we write and what we don't. And the results and discussions should contain the figures and legends and what was it going to say? And we have to know statistical analysis and all that. And there's software called Prism software for making these figures and all that, which you need to learn. At least someone should know. And then she talked about technical report and repeat and biological repeat, which I didn't understand. She would be saying about this on further classes, on the upcoming classes. And she talked about ResearchGate to get questions, to post questions and get their answers. And then there's plagiarism. Our library has two plagiarism software, among which the better one is Tarnishit or something like that. I didn't understand the name. Tarnishit or something. And the other one is that I didn't understand the name. And then there's generally, and what she said further was that generally a paper is accepted with less than 20% plagiarism, and we should check the plagiarism for paper, grant and thesis before submitting them, and be careful to present the right labels, else you might get into trouble. I mean, to do the right labeling of diagrams and all that, of pictures. And she was talking about to use for two separate experiments there should be separate controls, and that there should be a proper sample size, a big enough sample size for in vivo experiments, because there can be a lot of variations and all that. And that's it. It was just a kind of introduction class to about the course, and that's it. The thing is, today what I talked about is nothing. It is just about the course and just a slight touch upon things without actually meaning anything. That's it. Thank you.